So 6.2, number 7, using law of cosine. So if I draw this out, remember I tend to draw what looks like an equilateral triangle, and I always go A, B, C. C is 108, A is 14, and B is 3. So we're given a side angle side situation. That's why we can use the law of cosines. So the first thing we have to find would be side C. So I tend to do side C, and I do my square root right away, and I do my two sides, square them and add them, and then we subtract 2 times those same two sides, not squared though, and then you do the cosine of the included angle. And I tended to in the lecture make the angle and that starting side, like I make those two the same color because they're partnered up with each other. So let's go ahead and go to our calculator and type that in. So second square root, I had 14 and 3, so 14 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 14 times 3. Doesn't matter what order you put those in. 3 could go first, doesn't matter. Cosine of the 108. Technically close that. And it looks like I'm getting 15.197. They want us to round to the nearest hundredth, so we're going to round up to 20. So this is 15 point, I should make that green, 15.20. Now notice there's no degree bubble back here because it's the length of a side. Up here they have the degree bubbles for us, so we know those are angles. So it doesn't matter what angle you find next. Let's just go ahead and find angle A. So angle A, I've already done a video for these, so we'll go a little faster now. So the cosine inverse, and I put parentheses around the top. So we're going to go, if I'm finding angle A, I do the number I just found, 15.20 squared, plus the 3 squared, and the partner, 14, is the one that gets subtracted. And then on the bottom, you do 2 times the 15.2 times 3. Put that in parentheses as well. Now, for accuracy, I am writing in 15.20. But when I go to do my work, I'm going to do the full decimal to make sure that I have the correct answer. So we had inverse cosine. I open one for the top. I'm going to do that number squared plus the 3 squared minus the partner of 14 squared. Then I divide by, and I open another one, and I do 2 times the 3 times the full number again. Now you might get lucky enough that the 15.2 is close enough, but I'm ensuring that I'm the most accurate by doing it this way. So I'm getting 61.17, and the 8 would say round up, so 0.18. So 61.18. And now that you have your 3 sides, you should be able to take 180 minus 108 plus that 61.18, and minus, so it was 108 plus 61.18. I'm getting 10.82. So again, it is possible that you may have to go back to the full decimal if WebAssign doesn't take it. So I had the 10.82. And again, they have the degree bubbles for us.